Hey, second grade friends, it is Monday, April 20th. Wanted to go over your lessons for today, review some stuff so you know what you're going to be doing on your homework. In math, you are going to be reviewing two-digit addition and subtraction. Today is mostly the subtraction, and you're going to be drawing the chips on the place value chart to go with it. So I'm going to do a couple examples. Do it along with me on scrap paper, and we'll review. I know we already did it. Most of you know how to do it, but we're just going to review to make sure. So, all right, grab a piece of scrap paper and a pencil, pen, marker, whatever, doesn't make a difference. First problem, let's try 136 minus, write that down, and we'll start with 14. We'll start easy. Okay, draw your place value chart. Whoop, I'll move it over. There you go. Move me out of it. Draw your chips. So 136 all right, and we are going to take away 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to take away 110. And then let's see what we have left. We have 1, 2 ones. We have 1, 2 tens. And we have 100. So our answer is 122. All right. So we didn't have to do any regrouping in that one whatsoever. Our top numbers were bigger. We had plenty to take away our bottom number, so we didn't have to do any regrouping. So let's try one now where we have to regroup. So find another piece of paper. Find a new spot on your paper. Sorry, this doesn't erase very well. It takes me a while. Alrighty, let's try one where we're going to have to regroup. So on your paper, let's do 170 minus 16. 170 minus 16. Write it down on your paper and draw your chips or discs. So 170. So 100, 7 tens, 4, 5, 6, 7, and no ones. All right. Now we're going to go and remember. Always, always, always start in the ones house. All right, so we need to take away 6 ones. I go to take away and I don't have any ones. So tell me what I need to do. You are right. I got to go to the tens house and I have to borrow a 10. So I'm going to cross that 10 out. I'm going to bring it back to the ones house and I'm going to break it up into 10 ones. All right, do that on your paper. Now remember, I've got to make my vertical or my tall form look like my discs. So I no longer have 0 ones. I have 10 ones. Change that. I no longer have 7 tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 tens. So cross out your 7 and write 6 above it. All right, now let's go ahead and actually subtract. I need to take away in the ones house 6 ones. So cross out 6 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then move to the tens house. I need to take away 110. All right, let's see what we got left. In the ones house, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 ones. Double check looking at the vertical form. 10 minus 6 equals 4. That is correct. All right, let's look at the tens house. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Let's double check. 6 minus 1 equals 5. And don't forget, we still have 100 over here too. So our answer is 154. All right, we're gonna try one more practice. Find a new spot on your paper. Sorry, that's Bella knocking on the door. All right, find a new spot on your paper. And let's try one where we have to regroup more than once. So this time we're going to have to regroup twice. All right, so let's do 135. Write that down. And we are going to take away 78. All right, so start by drawing 135 chips. So 5 ones, 3 tens, 100. All right, starting in what house? Oh, we start in the ones house. Okay, we are going to take away 8 ones. I go over to the ones house to take away 8 ones, and I can't do it. So what do I need to do? You're right. Go to the tens house. All right, so go to the tens house, take away a 10. We are going to bring it back to the ones house and regroup it, break it up into 10 ones. Do that on your paper, please. All right, then we have to go to the tens house. So move into the tens house. I need to take away 7 tens. I go to take away 7 tens, and I can't do it because I only have 2. So I need to do what? I need to go to the hundreds house and borrow from the hundreds house. But before I do that, I forgot. Thank you for reminding me. I need to change our vertical form to match. So before I go to the hundreds house, let's change our vertical form. I do not have 5 ones anymore. I have 15. And I do not have 3 tens anymore. I have 2. All right, sorry about that. I forgot that step. All right, so now I need to go borrow 100. I'm gonna borrow 100. I'm gonna bring it back to the tens house, and I'm gonna break it up into 10 tens. I'm gonna regroup that 100 into 10 tens. All right, going back again to our vertical form. I don't have 2 tens anymore. I have 12. And I don't have 100 anymore. I have 0. All right, so now let's do the actual subtracting. Go to the ones house, and I need to take away 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So count up how many ones we have left. And we have 7 ones left. Double checking. 15 take away 8 equals 7. That is correct. All right, moving to the tens house. We need to take away 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count up how many tens you have left. And yes, you have 5 tens left. Double checking, 12. Take away 7 equals 5. Correct. And we don't have any hundreds. So the answer is 57. All right, so really quick today, do not forget your math homework for today. You need to do your workbook pages, which are on Google Classroom. So you're going to do your workbook pages, and you can find those on Google Classroom. There should be, I think, 4 workbook pages. You're going to do them all the same way as this, okay? So do your workbook pages on Google Classroom. Turn those in. Join me at 5 o'clock tonight and on Google Hangouts, and we can go over them and correct them together and check them together. Also, do not forget to get online. And you have a Zern mission to do on Zern. So log into Zern. Class code is in the email. There is an email with the class code in it. Be sure to look that up. You're going to need the class code if you don't know it already. And you're going to do mission 4 in Zern. And you are going to do lessons 7 through 9. On Zern. And then the last thing you need to do is your fluency. Don't forget to do your sprint. Okay, remember 1 minute on A, timer, and then make a goal. Try to get at least 1 more on B. Set your timer for 1 minute and do B. Okay, that is your homework for math homework for today, which is Monday, April 20th. Hopefully, I will see you at Google Hangouts at 5 o'clock tonight to go over your homework. All right, friends, love you guys, miss you. See you tonight, hopefully. Bye-bye.